Galamsey ye to us here. Say no to Galamsey. Chinese people go to your country. Asiafo munko mukurum na hanye mukurum. Yo, my people, this moral vocal as usual. Said them the bremo na Charlie news biansa ba. Said the moral vocal they be me the bano. Into the muya masum die na mutie me. Oba my TikTok page now make sure say oh like it now follow page you know. Near build one family. O come YouTube say moral vocal make sure say oh subscribe. Make sure you subscribe before your enemy subscribe. That is the motive behind the scene. What is here? So now let's get into the story of today. Yeah, Nancy yes Galamsey issue be koso. A very sad issue. Say ye di ni di echiri na ehwe ne ma ye koso o man mu a very sad. Recently yensu a ye nom pipe just say water Ghana Water Company for Sinti Charlie. Nsu na mo get it Nancy you know very bad because Galamsey for na say you know. O ma say nsu na ye just say asem no e asefim. Enti no sisi no one woman be abontin. This woman is the Asantewaa of our time. And who is that woman? This woman is called Dr. Louisa Hanna Bissiw. Do you know Hanna Bissiw? Ocean the picture that I out to me say, Mammy no oni, ocean nim be out to me say, yes, with the Asantewaa, the nan council one man answer the man mubini. Just a mammy no bojuma. She's also the NDC woman organizer. Just a mammy no bojuma. To say no jama mama the position administrator for the Mineral Development Fund. Mammy no obojuma. Mineral Development Fund no. The juma ne saying. The juma ne say. Nsuo ewo mine mkrofo bi say ya obekọ ho akostopin mkrofo no. One thing is a Galamsey issue e kosoi. Chema wuntumi mu tese mu sensuo ye pipe ye nom nsuo say no. Mammy no bojuma nanse ya okokro ba ko bi ewo Asante region. Krowe ye fre honum Atetemu in Adansi district ewo Asante region. Mammy no wakoti China for bi 24 suspects, 14 Chinese with 10 Ghanaians ayachioma. Just say omo ho abasem. Very sad. So do we share video here on my screen so utum say school dying and na kofu di gala. Mo di gala wa se sante say school dying akaketu bi na abu. In kolani life our danger mo. How could we get to this state? Like very sad. In kola mo go school omo nimshi. They are planning for their future. Say, oh, that should be my police, my doctor, my say. Na se nkola no classroom. Na mo ye Galamsey mo dan chia. Nanka mu China fui. How will you feel? Because as I'm sitting here, no, I don't think say nobody can go to China to go and dig their land anyhow and start to do Galamsey. It won't happen. But adentina Ghana, ya bedu some area, your forest reservation, ya say no, yensu, ya say no. Just say China fui. Omanya fahudi o mine ma just almost senior ma enti mami we ya wabai nkrofosi she's the Asantewaa of our time or bojuma recently so who say nkrofo bi attack no ene ni nkrofo a just no mo bojuma ne journalist for no a just say etutatutuo ene sekan bi mo course a enya sem ketwa enti mami no man bo no ho ban Mr. President, this woman need a lot of attention, support and every necessary things are on here say obetima to Galamsey we say no me stress a woman we mude be man because mama no oye adwuma. This is not the matter of politics. Let's put our eye down. By China phones mu ye fucking no hwe omo video we so mama na chi omo na ode omo contest so come de omo omo akoyi pure water no mo no. Can you see this I can't think far. There's on akoyi pure water or no there's a was saying so no pure water Charlie a dream be nyansa be in the China for my winning kitten as a jam one person more guye man no group. But no, we will not allow them. Doctor, thank you very much for your good work. We the Ghanaian citizens, we support you. Continue to do what you are doing. Say for person politics. But what we are doing, we support you. Ghana for mama mbo mamu ho ban. So we draw them fa bo mama no ho ban, o Bible fa bo no ho ban, o Quran fa bo no ho ban. Na yam better ye dachi bi eman kwala no because enche mineral na China for no use no very hardcore minerals ono mo use de Galamsey no enche ye man no be wo ba na nkwala no mkita ansam yenu obi kra de neti e ba kwhye ne na ase te say be very scary system a ye be wo mutin ye sere wo man bo mame no ho ban no nya adwuma no Galamsey ye to ase say no to Galamsey. Chinese people go to your country. Asiafo munko mukurum na hanye mukurum. Edamase this moral vocal as usual. Tell them make sure someone subscribe. Is I subscribe now, more subscribe. No, so me chimo on moral vocal. Thank you guys.